welcome to another video this week. And today we will learn about simplifying expressions with exponents. Alright? So last week, we've learned about the laws of exponents, the 3 rules that we will need to follow. And what are they? First one is product rule. The second one, quotient rule. And third one, what? The power rule. Okay, so this time, we will apply those 3 laws so that we can solve it or we can apply it. Okay, so let's go to the first one. So we have here 3 times 4 to the power of 3. So let's evaluate that. Number 1, 3 times 4 to the power of 3. So first, we will need to do the exponent. Okay? So you remember PEMDAS? Parenthesis, then exponent before you multiply. So 4 to the power of 3, that would be 4 to the power of 3, that would be 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4, so let's write here, 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 times 4, we have 40 plus 24. 40 plus 24, 64. Right? Okay, so we have 3 times 64. And then 3 times 64, 3 times 4, that is 12. 2, carry 1. 3 times 6, 18, plus 1, 19. So we have 192. So as you go with our topics, guys, please remember the basic rules like PEMDAS because they are really useful. So let's go to the next number. We have x to the power of 4 over x to the power of 7. Now, I have told you that using the quotient rule, we can write like this. X to the power of 4 minus 7. And we all know that 4 minus 7, okay, 4 minus 7, the answer is x to the power of negative 3. So if you have a negative exponent, what you will need to do is just write 1 on the top and put your answer on the bottom with a positive exponent. So x to the power of negative 3 is equal to 1 over x to the power of 3. Let me demonstrate a clearer picture on this just to let you know why our answer is like this. So we have x to the power of 4 over x to the power of 7. X to the power of 4 is x times x times x times x. And x to the power of 7 is x times x times x times x times x times x times x. That's 7 x's. So x divided by x, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So we are left with 1 over x to the power of 3. Okay? Hopefully you understood that one. Let's go to number 3. We have negative 9x to the power of 10. So, what is negative 9x to the power of 10? So, first, we will evaluate this. So, negative at the ipagawas ang negative, and then we have 9 to the power of 10, and then x to the power of 10. So, this is product rule as well, because we know that 9 and x has an exponent of 1, but dili lang i-indicate. Then 10 times 1, that is 10. 10 times 1, that is 10. So we have 9 to the power of 10 and x to the power of 10. Okay, so I'm grabbing my calculator right now to look for, or to 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. I will need to find the 9 to the power of 10. So let's find that. So 9 to the power of 10. This will be negative 3,486,7. Oh no, it's trillion. 3,286,784,401. So that is 9 to the power of 10, then x to the power of 10, then negative 3, 4, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 4, 4, 0, 1, x to the power of 10. So this is our answer. So don't worry, you will not need a calculator because on the exercises that I will give, I will not use like a bigger exponent, okay, to test your skills. So number 4, we have here 4cd to the power of 4 squared times cd to the 5th. So what you will need to do here is you will need to distribute the exponent to. So we have 4 to the power of 2, that is 16 c squared, because we have 1, so that's 2 times 1, then 2 times 8, that is d to the power of 8, multiplied by, then distribute 5, we have 5 c to the power of 5 and d to the power of 5. Simplify further, we have 16c, then by the product rule, so we have the same base here, right? C's. So we will need to add the exponent. 2 plus 5, we have 7. D base, we'll need to add 8 plus 5, that would be 13. So this is our answer. Okay? And lastly, number 5, we will solve number 5 here. Okay, so let us do number 5. So we have x to the power of negative 4 over x to the power of negative 9. So to solve this, we know that in following the quotient rule, we will subtract. So x minus 4 minus negative 9. So following the rules of integers, in subtraction, we have minus minus. And you know what minus minus means? It means plus plus. So we can change this as negative x to the power of negative 4 plus positive 9. So we have a negative number and a positive number. So what we will need to do is we will need to subtract 9 minus 4. Let's write x. 9 minus 4, we have 9 minus 4, we have 5. And is 5 positive or negative? It is positive because 9 is greater than 4. If you have some confusions here, go back to integers or subtracting integers. Okay? So this lesson is about subtracting integers. So the answer is x to the power of 5. So I think that's our lesson for this week. Hopefully, you can answer all the activities that that I will give to you. See you on our next video. Always be awesome and be a math hero. Goodbye.